NBC10 First Alert Weather.
And we're coming to you at 4:09 on this Saturday afternoon with some breaking weather. We have a tornado warning now in effect for parts of New Jersey, for parts of Philadelphia County, and parts of northern Delaware. It's this pink area that you see right now. This is a possible tornado. It's radar indicating, meaning we haven't seen this from an observer. Nobody has reported this tornado, but we're seeing spinning from our Doppler radar showing indications of a possible tornado forming. Now, there was a possible tornado earlier this afternoon over in Burlington County, New Jersey. So these storms have had a history of producing funnel clouds. Now, this storm system is moving to the east at about 20 miles per hour. So I want to read you some of the latest information. We have this tornado warning in effect for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, north central Salem County in southern New Jersey. We have northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County, so down near the airport, and we have southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. This goes into effect until 4:45, so it's 4:11 now, so we still have a lot of time left with this warning. And these storms, again, have had a history of possibly producing tornadoes. Again, that earlier storm in Burlington County, we had funnel cloud video. I wouldn't be surprised. It's this part of the storm that we're looking at right now. So I'm going to step off camera because I'm going to pilot the radar for a minute, but we're going to show you some cameras right now of the storms that are in progress. And we've been looking at some of these dramatic images down near the airport. There you go. That is where the tornado warning is in effect in Philadelphia County. As you can see, the visibility down to near nothing. And the problem with this storm system, if there is a potential tornado in it, it would be rain wrapped. That way you wouldn't be able to see it. And so this is the time that you want to be away from windows. You want to be in the lowest floor of your home. And you want to be turning the volume up on your television. Preferably if you want to get down to the basement, if you have one, have the volume on your TV turned up. You may be losing power in this situation. We've seen reports of damage with these storms from earlier this afternoon. Here's a live look from our Comcast Center camera looking towards the South Philadelphia vicinity. You can see that all overcast, shrouding the sky right now. That is the rain curtain that's coming down with this storm system. And again, it's that southwestern part of the storm. So I want to put a storm track. If we could go back to the radar for a second, I'm going to put a storm track on these storms so you can see. So these are the areas impacted: Camden, Gloucester, Philadelphia, and into Salem County, New Jersey, parts of Delaware County, Philadelphia County. And this storm is moving off to the east at about 20 miles per hour. So with that, 4:15 East Greenwich, 4:33 Deptford, 4:42 Camden, 4:56 Cherry Hill, 5:11 Evesham. You need to be in the lowest floor of your home. These storms have had a history of producing wind damage and funnel clouds. So this is the real deal. This is a real scenario. Again, this is just a radar indicated tornado. We have not had any confirmed reports yet. If we do, we'll let you know. As we go back to those cameras, you can just see that the rain curtain is lowering the visibility. There you go. That is our Comcast Northwest camera, I believe. You look at that rain shaft. Not only is there potentially a tornado with this storm system, there's some damaging winds. So you want to be away from trees. If you know anybody that's outside, of course, it's a Saturday afternoon. You want to make sure that they're inside in Philadelphia County, in Delaware County, that they are away from windows, and you want to be in the lowest floor of your home right now because these storms have had a history. And we will be with you because we've had so many tornadoes this year. In fact, Pennsylvania has had more tornadoes this year than they do in a typical year alone, and it's only July. There you go. You can see some of those dramatic images. That is from our camera there at the Wells Fargo Center in South Philadelphia, and as you can see, you really can't see much, and that's the problem. You may see this tornado warning pop up on your phone. You want to go and take video of it. You likely will not be able to see it. It's wrapped in rain. It's likely not large, but it will be bringing possibly some intense winds if it is coming down to the ground. Now, if we do not have a tornado, there still can be damaging winds with these storms.